today let's start with chapter number 8, control panel in Windows 10. So in this chapter we will study about Windows 10, the heart of computer system. It is a operating system. It allows computer to function. It serves as an interface between the user and the computer. And Microsoft Windows is one of the most popular operating system. It is an operating system with graphical user interface that offers images such as button and icons. और ये यूजर को अलाउ करता है कि आप इंटरेक्ट करो विद देयर कंप्यूटर. So the original Wonder is Windows 1.0, which was released in year 1985. We have Windows 98, XP, Vista 7, 8, Windows 8.1, Windows 10, most popular, which has been launched since then. Now features of Windows 10, because Microsoft released Windows 10, one of the most popular operating system. It was released on July 29, 2015. It is compatible with tablets, laptops, and desktop computer. Compared to earlier Windows operating system, it performs better and it is simple to use. Right? The best element of Windows 7 and Windows 8 is operating system. They are combined in Windows 10. Incredibly simple to use even for those who are not computer safe. It provides better ways जिससे आप फाइल को मैनेज कर सकते हो. What are control panel in Windows 10? So how to open it? So for that, in the search box, you have to type on the taskbar, type control panel. Click control panel from the menu, the control pane appear. You can see like this control panel in different view. Category view, large icon views and small icon. If we talk about category view, it is a default view. It shows list of categories, system and the security, hardware, sound, program, and each category has been specified. Large icon view shows complete list of all control panel items without grouping into categories. Small icon, it shows complete list of control panel without grouping into category. You can change the view of control panel window by choosing desired option. आप desired option को choose करके भी आप अपने window pane को change कर सकते हैं. Now if you want to customize the taskbar, using control panel you can change your task setting. Some of the options are lock the taskbar, hide the taskbar. Now open the control panel window. Select the appearance and personalization category appearance and the personalization window appear. Click the taskbar and then you will go to navigation option. The setting window appears with the taskbar sector. Select and change the desired setting. For example, like if you click on the lock the taskbar option switch, then if you want to move the taskbar position, task can be moved to any other location on the screen. Next, toggle the automatically hide the taskbar in desktop option. If you don't want the taskbar to appear while you are working, so when not in use, the taskbar will not disappear, only reappear when the pointer is moved to the taskbar. Close the window once you are done. Now changing the date of on time. So on the right side of the taskbar, on your computer system, the current date and time are shown. Open the control panel window, select the clock and reason category. Window will appear. Right? Click the date and time option, the date and time dialog box appear. You will click the date and time button, date and time setting dialog box appear. Choose the day, month and years. Now click inside the time section text box to change the time. The hour, minute and second can now be changed by typing the or using the arrow key. Click OK to close date and time. You will click OK and that applied setting will be applied over. Now changing the mouse setting, the control panel can change the mouse setting such as function of the left and right mouse button, speed of the mouse pointer and speed of the double clicking and look on the mouse point. To change the mouse setting, you will go to panel window. Hardware and sound category को आप select करेंगे. Hardware and sound window appears. Right? Like this. You will click on the device and printer. Now, to make the left and right mouse button look different, click the switch primary and secondary button. Right? Button configuration section में आप जाएंगे. Now you can click and drag the right mouse button. Now slide the slide shutter towards slow or fast. Double click and using this option you can shorten or extend the time between the two clicks or double clicks. Right? Now to enable click lock, go to click lock section and take the turn on the click lock box. And these features allow you to drag the mouse without releasing the mouse. Now changing the shape of the mouse pointer. To change the shape of mouse pointer, follow the steps. Go to mouse pointer dialog box, click the mouse pointer tab. Then you will customize the box which will display many pointers, right? And afterward, click on the browse button after selecting the desired pointer. Different types of pointer are displayed in the browse dialog box. So click the mouse button after selecting the desired pointer shape. In the box next to the scheme section, you will see that the new pointer shape was taken place. Right? Now uninstalling the program. Now if you want to uninstall the program, for that you have to use the different steps. Open the control panel window, select the program category, program window appear. From the program and feature menu, you will choose uninstall program and the program will be installed by clicking on the install button. Right? Windows will ask you to configuration or to install application. If yes, then install the program. If no, the installation will be cancelled. Right? This is all about in this chapter. Now let's move to the exercise. First is tick the correct option. Which of the following software is known as heart of computer system, operating system? Which of the following is not the example of? इसमें से कौन सा example नहीं है operating system का? That is Google Chrome. Now Dash is a part of Windows OS that allows you to view and change various settings in the computer system. That is control panels. Which section of the mouse point properties dialog box reserve the function of left and right mouse buttons? All of these. Now fill in the blanks. Android and Linux, they are the examples of operating systems. Windows 1.0 was the Dash version of Windows operating first. The default view of the control panel, जो default view है control panel का, is the dash view. सबसे default है वो है category view. The date and time option is in the dash view. Dash category of the control panel. तो किसमें है वो system category. Next is write T for true and F for false statement. Windows 1.0 was released in 1985 false. You cannot modify or uninstall an application using control panel. It's false. You can see the control panel three different views. It's true. You can also change taskbar setting by right clicking on it. It's true. Next is answer the following question. What is operating system? Operating system क्या है? आपको Windows 10 operating system के दो features बताने. What are the three different views of control panel and how can you change that? Now how will you customize? आप task bar को from control panel कैसे customize कर सकते? Right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Let's meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.